Welcome back to a mini episode of Found But Still Lost. I thought I'd bring you along on a little journey that Matt and I took on our way home from up north. How cold is it?
It's stingy.
What?
It's stingy.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. That's like 10 seconds. Yeah, that's good. Good.
Now this is a rare sighting of a 43-year-old daredevil who is crossing a river on a log. 1 foot in front of the other, baby. And there you have it, folks. She made it across. We just took a quick run down to Richie Falls. I love this little bridge. I don't know if you could, oh yeah, you can see. It was so fun. Nice little walk.
Oh, now everybody's gone.
That's so funny. There was like 15 cars here. And I think maybe they were all the same group, the people with the dog that we saw. But now there's nobody. Matt and I are in the world's smallest bookstore. It's a used bookstore, and I believe any book is just $3. See if we can find anything. It's so fun.
It's actually...
Wow. I'm glad we stopped. After our exciting trip to the world's smallest bookstore, Matt and I figured why stop there, why not check out Finland Falls as well. Finland Falls, let me tell you, did not disappoint. It was, I don't know how to describe it. It was just really pretty. It was more like a park, and I'd say it looks more used, like more people have been around it. But it was really pretty and noisy, very loud. Vixen!
Hey!
Hello! Whoa, okay. You stay up there. Stay here next to her.
Sun.
Thank you for joining us for a micro version of a vlog. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and if you feel inclined, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!